I'm Marla, and I'm glad to be back with you. I've been working on some behind-the-scenes projects the past few months, and I hope you missed me as much as I've missed being with you on our weekly videos. We have a couple of different sets of embroidered towels. The first is a set of golf towels, and the second is for someone who provides a lot cooking for her business employees. We have two different personalized horse blankets, and an apron for Jeremiah Joe Coffee. The start of the school year is coming up, so it's no surprise to see Marquette Academy polos again. We also have some embroidery for the Starved Rock Yacht Club. These caps have an anchor design with the club initials. Here is a full zip jacket with a pennant. A print tee has a similar, but slightly different design, with the full club name, rather than letters. Another tee sums up the club's spirit with a full back print. These Paige's Place t-shirts, with front and back designs, are also for the club. Ottawa Friendship House has its logo on a tee, and closing out our video is a Ziebart of Ottawa tee, with front and back prints. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks to all of you who were asking when I'd be back. I'll see you soon.